Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we learn about an important imaging test, MRA of the neck vessels, also known as Magnetic Resonance Angiography of the neck. So let's get started. So, what is MRA? MRA stands for Magnetic Resonance Angiography. It's a special type of MRI that focuses on the structure and blood flow of the blood vessels. This test is completely non-invasive, meaning no cuts or injections into the body, and it does not use any radiation. Why is MRA of the neck vessels done? In our neck region, there are some very important arteries, such as the carotid arteries and the vertebral arteries. These arteries supply blood to the brain. If these vessels become narrowed, blocked, or damaged, it can lead to stroke, dizziness, or other neurological problems. Therefore, MRA of the neck vessels is done to detect carotid artery narrowing or blockage, identify an aneurysm, that is an abnormal bulging of a blood vessel, detect dissection, that is a tear in the artery wall, and help determine the cause of a stroke. How is the test performed? During the procedure, the patient lies down inside an MRI scanner. The neck area is covered with a special coil that helps capture clear images. Usually, a contrast dye, such as gadolinium, is injected into a vein to visualize the blood vessels more clearly, although sometimes the test can be done without contrast. The patient must stay very still as even small movements can blur the images. The entire process usually takes 20 to 30 minutes. What information does an MRA report provide? An MRA report shows whether the diameter of the blood vessels is normal, if there is any blockage in blood flow, the presence of an aneurysm or dissection, and whether the branching and structure of the vessels are normal. The radiologist analyzes these findings and sends a detailed report to the doctor, helping in accurate diagnosis and treatment planning. Advantages of MRA: completely safe and painless, radiation-free, so it's safer than CT angiography, and in many cases, clear images can be obtained even without contrast dye. However, there are some precautions. People with pacemakers, metal implants, or cochlear implants may not be suitable for MRI scans. Those with kidney problems should be cautious when using contrast dye. So it's very important to inform your doctor about your full medical history before the test. In summary, MRA of the neck vessels is a safe and advanced imaging method that provides detailed visualization of the arteries in the neck. It plays a vital role in identifying the causes of stroke and other neurological conditions. So, finally, stay health conscious, go for regular checkups, and never ignore even small symptoms of illness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.